From Chris TV, this is Chris 6 News at noon.
It's out of an abundance of caution, we're recommending that the vaccine be paused in terms of its administration.
Heard that right. Federal health officials are calling for a pause in the administration of Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine. We're live on Facebook right now with the breaking news and the latest from Dr. Anthony Fauci. You can watch his press conference live on our Facebook page. Good afternoon. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jeff Dubroff. So why the pause? The Food and Drug Administration is investigating blood clots in 6 women that occurred between 6 and 13 days after they received that single-dose vaccine. Nearly 7 million doses of the vaccine have been given out in the U.S. so far. Some of those vaccines were distributed right here in the Coastal Bend. In fact, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine was one of the 3 vaccines the county planned to distribute at a new walk-in clinic at La Palmera Mall this morning. And our Jeremiah Marshall joins us live from La Palmera Mall today with the latest on what's happening and at the clinic and what the county plans to do. So Jeremiah, you spoke to our county health director. What can you tell us?
Yeah, Jeff, so even though the J&J vaccine is on pause, well, first and foremost, here at the mall, you can still get vaccinated. And actually, we have seen many people come in and out to do just that. And why is that? It's because the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccine are still available. Now, we spoke to Corpus Christi, Nueces County Health Director Annette Rodriguez, who says 3,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine were first made their way here last week. So far, approximately 2,700 of those doses have been given out here locally. Now, Rodriguez says as of now, they have about 300 J&J doses sitting on the shelves, and many may wonder, will these doses expire? Well, Rodriguez says they will expire in June, but believes this is just a short temporary hold.
The medical community needs to know that if people are coming in to the emergency room and they're having symptoms of shortness of breath, or they're having leg swelling or cramping, or they're having abdominal pain, they need to go into the emergency room, but they also need to tell the physician that they recently had a J&J vaccine. That way they know how to treat them.
Rodriguez also says, according to the FDA, if you really want the J&J vaccine, it can be given. It would just need to be passed by the local health authority. It's just recommended that you wait. Now, Rodriguez also says there have been those that have received the J&J vaccine here, but there have not been any reports of local blood clots. Reporting here at La Palmera Mall, Jeremiah Marshall, Chris 6 News. Jeff.
Thank you very much, Jeremiah. As soon as the news of the pause spread, Johnson & Johnson stock actually dipped. Right now, it's nearly 4 points down, or over 2%. And we want to hear from you now that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been paused. Are you more or less likely to get vaccinated? Just head to our Twitter page at Chris 6 News to tell us your response. And we'll continue to have team coverage on this on our later broadcast. You'll want to stay right here with Chris 6 News.